Hello, you guys. You're seeing this on a Friday, but I am filming on a Tuesday. We're gonna do a little, I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog. Really, I just wanted to show you like what I eat in a day, because that's what I feel like a lot of you like seeing. I'm about to go get a little workout in. I wanted to get up this morning and it didn't happen, but you guys, I'm so freaking excited. I was sent this nugget ice maker from Amazon. It's something I've wanted for so long. If you've ever been to Chick-fil-A, that's the only place I know of that gives you like that nugget ice. In the past, I have purchased the little silicone ice cube trays to make my own, but they're so itty bitty that it just is a lot of work. Like it's, I don't know, it's so many, then you have to pop them out and then try to keep them in a bag, and it's just for like, and I like a lot of ice. So to give me like a full glass for an iced coffee or like a water.
Mom, can I like
it's not done yet. I would need like 2 or 3 of those trays. So I've been wanting one of these nugget ice makers for so long, but they're very pricey. And so when they reached out to me, I was like, like my dreams all came true. So this is what it looks like. My dad was here this weekend. We're not gonna use this ice, but and he helped me kind of figure it out. So you can run it up through a water line. Like I could have plugged it into my refrigerator if I wanted to, but to me that just seems like a lot of work. So I literally just plugged it into my outlet, filled up this little base with water. There's a little line to show you like where the water should come up to. And I turned it on about, I don't even know, like 6 minutes ago, pressed the button, and we're already getting ice. I don't know if you can see that. I'm so excited. So I think the plan is to keep this downstairs in our bar area, but for now, because it does take up a little bit of counter space, for now, we are gonna just keep it here on the counter. And it's the little things in life. I don't think you comprehend the excitement right now. I just want to make an iced coffee like right now. We're gonna let this go. I mean, it's already going, and I'm just thinking this is gonna be great for parties and stuff. I don't know, maybe I'm weird. I just am very picky about my ice cubes. I like chewing on ice. I don't like breaking my teeth on ice, and so this is perfect. And I just always loved the Chick-fil-A ice and always want that in my like iced lattes. So we're gonna go work out. Say hi, Leo. My basement is like half-ass. I'll show it to you when we get down there. We're in the process of getting a bar installed. I'm getting a little studio down there, so where I typically work out in the basement is not gonna happen, so I don't know where it's gonna happen. And then throughout the day, I'll let you know what I'm eating, what Leo's eating, and don't mind that we still have Christmas Santa and his sleigh on our TV. Disaster. I'm sweaty and smelly, but I wanted to show you progress. So this is our storage room, like the unfinished part. Hold on, turned you around. So we basically split it in half. We're gonna have shelves built for all of the junk, and then this is gonna be my little studio. So that's like the main area. You come in here. It's a good space, like larger than I need, larger than I expected. I'm gonna have some kind of fun light fixture, some recessed lighting, and then this is going to be the bar, which you can see the bare bones, and then our steps are right here. There's going to be a TV, some cabinets, a refrigerator, some pull-out drawers, sink will go in there. It's going to sit about 5 or 6 stools, and really excited. So this is the little progress of our basement. If you're following me on Instagram, I'm documenting it there. If you are local and need a good contractor, ours is phenomenal. Like so clean, so fast. They do great work. So I'm happy to share their info. I have you propped up. I'm making a smoothie. I'm gonna break my fast. I have in here like a cup of almond milk, a scoop of my chocolate collagen, a scoop of vanilla protein powder, about a tablespoon of chia seeds. I also scraped the last of my peanut butter. It was about a tablespoon. I also threw in a handful of spinach. You don't ever taste the spinach. It'll turn your thing green. And it's really good for you. And then I'm just gonna use, there's a lot of bananas. I'm gonna use one whole banana. I usually like to keep these in the freezer, but I didn't have any frozen. It'll just make your smoothie like a little bit more smooth. And we're gonna blend this up. Leo's hysterical that I just used the blender. It's the little things. I will link these glasses only because every time I post my smoothies on Instagram, I get questions. You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. Glass straws, I'll link too. I usually like putting granola on top of my smoothie, but I'm all out. It's so good. And I always drink my smoothies like right before I'm taking a shower because they make me so cold. Even like we get pliables sometimes, which are like the acai bowls, and hello. Oh, you just knock your teeth. And it's right after I eat them, I'm like, oh, I have to go take a shower, so I'm gonna do this. Look at our ice. And I can't even tell you how long it took. Protein powder, because we were downstairs. I was downstairs for about 2 hours. So I don't know exactly how long it took, but we're done. So I gotta empty this and I gotta figure out a way to like store them in the freezer, some container, or maybe even just like a frozen freezer Ziploc bag. And I'm gonna make a little bit more. And I think I might not get Starbucks today because I wanna make my latte at home with that.
The go-karts?
Mm-hmm. The go-karts?
Yeah, the go-kart.
They don't have a Spider-Man one.
Yes, they do.
Is it red and blue?
Yeah,
Oh,
red and blue.
that makes it Spider-Man. I didn't even get to show you what Leo had because he devoured it, but they're not allowed to, the boys aren't allowed to bring peanut butter to school because there's severe allergies in his class. So when he's not in school, he only has school 2 days a week. He usually wants a peanut butter sandwich. So he's not a jelly kid. He loves peanut butter with banana, and sometimes he'll try Nutella, but today he just wanted some honey. And then, is it good? Do you like it? And then he always loves Cheez-Its, and then there's a string cheese back there too, and I usually have some kind of fruit on here. We'll get to that at our next meal. Currently packaging up my orders. If you are a customer of mine for Park Lane, I recently did a little social sale and then a mega party and like a flash sale on impressions, and everything just came in. So now I'm repackaging and shipping everything out, but I'm freezing. Can't wait to go take a shower. But I want to drop these when I go pick up Benny from school. So okay, so making lunch. In here I have 1 can of this chicken. I've shared this a bunch on Instagram. Organic chicken breast with rib meat in water, and there's tons of protein in this. 120 calories. Where's the protein? 25 grams. So I just make like a healthy chicken salad. I'm just kind of mashing it, spreading it with my fork. And chop up a little bit of an apple. Celery would be good too, but I don't have any celery. What, Leo? What? No, you just ate. You literally just ate. This is also really good to put. Well, you can have a snack with Ben when he gets home. Okay?
Yeah.
This would be really good to put over toast. I just like to eat it as a salad. These are some dried cranberries. You could use raisins. I'm just using what we have. Salt. Pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Ooh, excuse me. And then instead of mayo, I'm going to use a little bit of Greek yogurt. Just, I don't know, like this much. And you can adjust this. I don't like it to be like swimming in it. I just like to coat everything in it. So I'll just mix this and see if I need to add any. But usually it's like a dollop, is what I say. And then you could also add onion. I like it just like this. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of, I like my things like vinegary, soury. I like some acid. So a little bit of red wine vinegar, and then I'm gonna squeeze this half of a lemon. This, between the lemon and the vinegar, just gives it really nice flavor. Okay. Stir it around. And this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna eat this like a salad. You could put it over lettuce, you could put it in a pita pocket, you could put it over toast, like I said, make a sandwich, but I like it just like this. Definitely try this. If you like chicken salad, I don't like mayo, but I love everything else in a chicken salad. So for me, it's Greek yogurt is a great little substitute. Snack break. These are my fave. Good fat, so addicting. Good for you. Chef Dan cooked dinner tonight. Is this Laura's? We'll link the recipe below. It's Laura Vitale's chicken franchise. We made sweet potatoes. The kids like brown sugar and marshmallows. I just did cinnamon and sauteed spinach. What?
You know where Jersey Shore is filmed?
No.
Bear Creek.
Really?
And guess who's there?
Who?
Sammy.
No way.
Yeah.
Right, this is where I leave you. Cheers. This is my little nightcap slash dessert. I came in the dining room because Dan's watching The Bachelor and it's so loud. I usually try to stop eating between 8 and 9, and then that's my intermittent fasting window. I'm gonna link you to this amazing little nugget ice maker, and I think I decided that there's no harm in using it as needed. Like, make it in the morning for the day. I don't know that I'll even really need to keep stock of it in the freezer. It was so quick and easy to make. It makes a ton. So I feel like I'm just gonna make it like day to day. If I know I'm gonna be home and I'm gonna be having my coffee at home, or even like drinks. But I love it, and I'll link it here. It just makes your drink taste better. I don't know how or why, but it just does. I hope you guys enjoyed this little what I eat in a day / vlog. Dinner was so good. Be sure to check the recipe. I'll link it in the description box. And thanks for hanging out. I'm beat. And now I'm going to be subjected to watching the Women Tell All. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I'll see you in my next video.